Hi everyone, welcome back to the mini course. This is session 3 on how to upskill your trading ability. To start the session, I repeat part of the quote from session 2. If you're unable to trade without the slightest bit of emotional discomfort, specifically fear, then you've not learned how to accept the risks inherent in trading. Let's unpack this concept of emotional discomfort and why it's crucial to manage when you're trading. So the quote mentions fear, but emotional discomfort goes beyond that. It encompasses a whole spectrum of negative emotions. Things like despair, anguish, emptiness, anger, hopelessness, disappointment, frustration, regret, confusion, distrust, distress, guilt, worry, irritability, and disillusionment. These emotions cloud your judgment and make it difficult to think clearly. So why does emotional control matter? Imagine trying to feel both confident and fearful at the same time. It's a paradox. One emotion will eventually dominate, and yes, fear often takes the wheel, leading to rash decisions. So in this exercise, I want you to answer this for yourself. The first question is it possible to be confident and fearful at the same time? Yes or no? If yes, write down why you think it is possible and which one will win out, or will they both stay even? What state of mind do you think will mostly result from it? If no, why is it not possible? Write down your answers as to why it's not possible. Okay, so next question. Do you think you can be a consistent, unflappable, and profitable trader over the long term if you ever feel the slightest bit of emotional discomfort, specifically fear, when engaging the market? Yes or no? If yes, write down why you think it's possible. If no, same thing, write it down so you've got something to refer back to later on. To learn how to upskill your trading, Mark Douglas explains on page 10 of Trading in the Zone that trading presents us with a fundamental paradox. How do we remain disciplined, focused, and confident in the face of constant uncertainty? When you've learned how to think like a trader, that's exactly what you'll be able to do. Learning how to redefine your trading activities in a way that allows you to completely accept the risk is the key to thinking like a successful trader. Learning to accept the risk is a trading skill, the most important skill that you can learn. Yet it's rare that developing traders focus any attention or expend any effort to learn it. All right, another question. Do you think that learning to accept the risk is a trading skill, the most important skill that you can learn? Yes or no? If yes, why do you agree with Mark and what makes it so important? If you said no, what do you believe is the most important trading skill that you can learn? Write down your answer in as much detail as you can, stating everything that comes to mind. Don't qualify or format what you write, just do a bit of a brain dump. Now, hopefully you're starting to get a bit of a picture about what we're trying to help you uncover with your own beliefs towards trading here. And maybe you're even starting to think about some of the areas that you could potentially improve. Possibly there's some things that you haven't considered before now that could have been holding you back. If you haven't started to think that way yet, that's okay. We're only halfway through these sessions, so I encourage you to keep going all the way to the end and see what you can discover about yourself as a trader or investor in the next 3 sessions. In session 4, we'll start to look at why you might be making trading errors. You know, the ones that end up hurting you both financially and emotionally. Everyone who's been around the market for a while has got at least one horror story to tell. Okay, so that's it for session 3. Feel free to jump right into session 4 and keep the momentum going. But don't forget to like and subscribe as you swing past. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.